Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, we are discussing the Python program to search the number of times a particular number occurs in a list. So, what is the meaning of this question? It is simple. In interview, the interviewer will give a list which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. And interviewer will ask you to write program. When you enter any of the number which is present in given list, in output it should show how many times that particular number present in given list. And also one more thing, when you enter the number which is out of this list, it should display that number is present 0 times. This program is same like search number in list program, which I already explained in previous videos. You can watch that program by using above card. So let's come back to this program. I hope you all understood the question. Let's start writing program. First what we have to do, we'll create method with name def get search number count with parameters given list and user input. After this we'll give values for the given list. I'll copy this here. So the value for the given list is specified. Then we'll write user input. User input is equal to in input enter the number. Now we want to print this given list, so we'll write print function with string the given list is. After this we'll call the get search number count method in print function, that is print format user input comma get search number count given list and user input. When method is called, it will check for the conditions. So let's write conditions. Initially the counter value will be 0. Then we'll write for loop for number in given list. In for loop, it will check for the numbers which is present in given list.
Please subscribe to our channel
to
support
for the next condition, that is if condition. If number is equal to user input, if the number is equal to user input, then counter value is incremented by 1. That will get stored in variable counter. Then return the counter. Let's see the code from beginning. First empty method is created with name get search number count with parameters given list and user input. After that, the values for the given list is specified. That is given list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. After running this code, in output it should print the given list. So we have written print function to print the given list. User input is equal to int input enter the number. It is written to enter the number by the user in output. After this get search number count method is called. Let's consider, for example, user will enter the number. If 3 number is present in given list, then it will check for the if condition. If number is equal to user input, that means 3 is equal to user input. 3 is equal to user input number, that is 3. Then counter value will get increment by 1. Initially the counter value will be 0. Then 0 plus 1 will become 1. That will get stored in counter variable. Then it will return the counter. So we'll get output 3 has occurred 1 times. Let's run this code. In output it is displaying given list and then it is asking enter the number. So here we'll enter the number as 3. We'll see the output what we will get. 3 has occurred 1 times. Once again we'll run the code and we'll enter the number as 4 and we'll see the out 4 has occurred 2 times. And then second one is Python program to search the number of times a particular number occurs in a list by using object-oriented programming concept. So for the same program, let's create a class, name it search number count. Then create an object for this class, search number count is equal to search number count. Then through this object, call get search number count method. Then give self keyword in get search number count method. In this program, class is created with name search number count and then method is defined. And then object is created for the search number count. And in object, the values for the given list is specified. And through this object, the method is called. After running this program, it will display the given list and then it will ask you to enter the number. When user enters the number, it will check for the conditions. Let's run this code and we'll enter the number 3. The output is 3 has occurred 1 times. Once again we'll run the code and we'll enter the number 7. Then output is 7 has occurred 0 times. I hope you all understood this program. Thanks for watching. Please do like, give feedback and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us.